Hello my loves, Toni here, and I have a confession to make. I've been keeping a bit of a secret from you. I'm honestly surprised I've been able to keep it this long, but I'm excited to finally tell you that I started a crochet membership community. It's called the Yarn Hive community, and it would mean the world to me if you joined our club. When you step into our hive, there are 2 rooms to discover. The first room is the content room, and that's where you can go to discover over 200 ad-free on-demand delights. Access my podcast, inspo and hack videos, as well as past live stream replays and my pattern tutorial library. I've got a pattern tutorial library with tons of videos that have always existed behind a paywall, as well as exclusive videos that I've made just for the Yarn Hive community. I'm adding new tutorials every single month to walk you through fan favorites like the juniper cowl, the French press cardi, and so many more. And every single one of those pattern tutorials comes with a downloadable PDF version of the pattern to follow along with while you stitch. Gather your materials, hit play, and immerse yourself in your newest crochet project. Now the other room, and my personal favorite, is the Hive community, and that's where we go to inspire and connect. The community includes multiple channels to organize our exciting conversations. Check the Hive announcements regularly to learn about upcoming events and the latest content additions, then head over to the other channels for even more lively chit chats. I love bouncing between the Yarn Hive book club to dish about our latest novel, or I'll go over to the show and tell channel to see everybody's latest whips. You can also drop into our Tunisian crochet chat, our temperature blanket chat, and so many others. Maybe you're at a loss for your next crochet project, or you need a bit of motivation to finish that whip. Drop into the Yarn Hive to add some color to your crochet experience. Our energetic community is positively buzzing with talented, kind makers who share your love for all things yarny. We also have exclusive events, special guests, and our own Hive merch to show off your honeybee pride. Listen babes, you do not have to crochet alone anymore. Mama is here and I brought friends. Join the Yarn Hive community to transform your crochet journey into an adventure that's bursting with color, excitement, and friendship. Sign up today and enjoy 7 days in the Hive on me to explore everything that we have to offer. You can tap the link in the description and start your membership right now. You can drop your questions in the comments or ask them during my live stream that's happening right here on YouTube today at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. I can't wait to see you there. Bye!